Good morning, guys. Today I'm reviewing the Victorinox Sentinel. So, it comes in just a simple box. Let's open it up here, see what we have. All right. So here it is here. It's the... Let's see what's in here. Okay, you also have your instruction manual, how to take care. I'm not sure why they're advertising this here because there's no can opener on this one. It's just a single blade. So this is the one-handed opener with the black scales here. Yeah, and it also comes with the key ring holder here. If you look there, the key ring holder. This is the toothpick. Sorry, this one here, the cream one here is the toothpick. The gray one here is the tweezers. Let's just take that out for you here. So that's the tweezers over there. And then the toothpick over here. Always comes in handy after eating a scrumptious meal. Okay, so the branding over here, Victorinox Swiss made. It is a liner lock, all right, a one-hand opener. So my fingers are quite short. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. Okay, so that was quite easy. That was quite easy. To close it, you would need to push this down here, and it closes. Fairly simple. Yeah, so just to open it again, just to show you, you get a nice grip in here like that. Fairly simple. The blade from here to here is 111 millimeters. The knife weighs approximately 70 grams, so very, very light. I do like how light it is. Very sharp out of the box. The tip, I would have liked the tip to be a bit more sharper, a bit more pointy, actually, for piercing. But the blade itself is very sharp. So I'm happy about that. Nice ergonomic handle here. Nice ergonomic handle. So fits in the hand. Fits in the hand very nice. Fits in the hand very nice. Yeah, the Sentinel. So just to close it, if you are left-handed, this would benefit you quite nicely because you can close it nicely on the left-hand side. But being right-handed, it's a bit difficult to close it with the right hand. So, yeah, just be aware of that. So I'm happy to have this. Looking forward to using it nice and light. Yeah, the Victorinox Sentinel. The blade is a 2.5 millimeter there. Actually, I'd say 2 millimeter blade over there. Very, very nice knife. Black scales. Yeah, go and get yourself one. Thanks, guys. Goodbye.